Hello from the School of Sailing and Seamanship at Orange Coast College. I hope you have been doing well through these past few months of COVID-19. We're very excited to be opening modified programs at the school. As well as our usual safety basics, we will have new procedures for keeping everyone safe. The difference begins before you leave home. Use our online registration page to sign up for classes and camps, or give our staff a call to register over the phone. All visitors, students, parents, and staff are required to wear face coverings at the school. Some modifications are made for our under 18 sailors, including masks off when students are on the water or in the water. We have found that neck gaiters work very well and also provide added sun protection. Cloth masks work fine as long as they stay on well. Disposable masks are not recommended and easily blow into the water. To reduce touch points in our facilities, please bring a full water bottle and apply sunscreen before you arrive. If you'd like to use your own life jacket, you're welcome to bring it. Otherwise, you'll be issued a clean and sanitized life jacket for your class. Students will be health screened upon arrival. Please ensure that you listen to and follow instructions from our staff through this process. Hand sanitizer is provided in many locations. The majority of our classes will be taught in an outdoor format. Signage throughout will remind everyone of important protocols like maintaining a safe distance from others, washing or sanitizing hands frequently, and wearing face coverings. Special care will be taken to clean the boats and life jackets between groups. Students will assist the staff to clean the boats at the end of class. Class sizes have been modified to facilitate social distancing. Boats will be crewed with the smallest number of students possible while maintaining safety, and family members will sail in a boat together when possible. We're asking everyone who visits the school to follow these guidelines to keep us all healthy. These are uncertain times, and we're very committed to coming through them safely and responsibly. See you on the water soon.